Hi, I am Saurav Chatterjee, and you're watching me on Filmy Mantra.
I also know that you were part of Hira Mandi also.
Hmm.
Would you like to talk about it?
अब क्या हो रहा है कि if जैसे होमबाउंड जैसी फिल्में आ भी रही है,
Hmm.
ओके, हु आर वाचिंग इट बिकॉज बॉक्स ऑफिस ही नहीं है उनकी, वेयर जहाँ पे ऐसी फिल्में चल रही है लाइक एनिमल एंड आई लव दोस फिल्म्स. आई कम फ्रॉम अ cinema which I love, Dharma films. All the sectors from north to south they can watch, and the biggest example is Kantara, Maestro like Prakash Jha. So
Yeah.
Ashram एक ऐसी series है जहाँ पे you will see that there's no a very big star value. उनका जो comeback हुआ, it was worth it. Lord Bobby, but
Yeah.
it was a starting point of like where he was coming back after so many years, and
Yeah.
that shaped for him. बहुत सारे actors हैं हमारे इंडस्ट्री में जो बोलते हैं काम नहीं मिल रहा है, they are
Mm-hmm.
actually blacklisted. I will tell you very candid something, everything in this industry is give and take. यदि आप मानो ना मानो कि यहाँ पे कोई भी दूध का तो धुला है नहीं, सब यहाँ पे एक मुखौटा पहना हुआ है. एवरीबडी इज लाइक मतलब निकलने वाला था. आई हैव सीन एक्टर्स हु हैज बीन ऑन माय सेट
Oh.
ऑन द डे वन एंड दे हैव
Oh.
बीन रिप्लेस्ड. मुझे लगता है कि एक्टर्स को ये बहुत समझना जरूरी है कि आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट कि आप फॉलोअर्स बढ़ाओ,
Yeah.
ओके, बट आप अपना प्रेजेंस बढ़ाओ. ठीक है, इफ अ वुमन इज कमिंग एंड पुटिंग फॉरवर्ड हिज और हर थॉट्स, ओके,
Yeah.
कि मुझे 8 घंटा ही काम करना है,
Yeah.
सो आई थिंक सो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद दैट. ओके,
Yeah.
किसी ने आपको फोर्स करके तो यहाँ पे आपको इस इंडस्ट्री में नहीं लाया है, बिकॉज वी
हाँ.
हैव ऑल कम विद आवर चॉइसेस. ओके, बट ऑफ कोर्स कुछ लोग को नहीं समझ में आता है,
Yeah.
तो ऑफ कोर्स उनको लगता है कि हाँ यार, इसमें तो चकाचौंध है, इसमें ग्लैमर है, इसमें तो एवरी डे वी विल पार्टी एंड वी विल डू व्हाटएवर वी कैन. बट या तो मैनिपुलेट हो जाओ या तो मैनिपुलेट कर लो.
Hi, my name is Mohit Rana, and you're watching yet another episode of the FM show on Filmy Mantra, a show where we celebrate stories, have fun, and bring you the entertainment you deserve. और अगर मैं आपसे सवाल करूं कि आप कितने असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर्स, कितने क्रिएटिव प्रोड्यूसर्स, कितने स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स के नाम जानते हो, तो शायद आपको एक, दो या तीन ही नाम पता होंगे. क्योंकि यूजुअली क्या होता है कि जब कोई मूवी हिट हो जाती है तो लोग या तो उसको याद रखते हैं उसके एक्टर्स की वजह से या उसके कैरेक्टर्स की वजह से, पर जिन लोगों ने एक्चुअली उस मूवी को हिट बनाने में अपना योगदान दिया है हम उन्हें भूल जाते हैं. Today I have with me a creative producer. Please welcome Mr. Saurabh Chatterjee.
हाय मोहित,
Hi, welcome to Film Mantra.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Saurabh, मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे यही रहेगा कि when did you decide to become a creative producer?
आई थिंक सो I never decided.
Mhm.
Actually, I think it was destined.
You have been also part of Ashram.
Hmm.
You have been part of Z5 series अब है. You have also been part of Hira Mandi, I heard. But इस सब के बारे में हम बात करेंगे आगे. But उससे पहले मैं जानना चाहूँगा what was that motivation to become a creative producer? Also एक छोटे से जवाब में अगर आप बता सकें creative producer होता क्या है? सबको पता है producer क्या होता है, director क्या होता है, writer क्या होता है. What is a creative producer?
Yeah, okay, so this is a very interesting question because normally आप डायरेक्टर को जानते हो कि जो डायरेक्ट करता है, राइटर जो लिखता है कहानियों को. आई थिंक सो क्रिएटिव प्रोड्यूसर बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं, एंड एक्चुअली दे आर द बिगेस्ट बैकबोन. जो कोई भी फिल्म बनती है या सीरीज बनती है, इट इज़ ऑल देयर डिसीजन फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स ऑफ द आइडिएशन, जो कि राइटर्स सेलेक्ट करना, फ्रॉम द कंटेंट सेलेक्ट करना, to going to development of that content, and then later into the phase of casting, then the execution, and till the end where the marketing happens. Everything is done by the creative producer. So I think so बहुत कम creative producer के बारे में literally आप जानते होगे, but एक प्रोड्यूसर होते हैं जो ऑफ कोर्स दे आर द प्रोड्यूसर एंड दे पुट मनी टू एनी फिल्म और सीरीज. बट क्रिएटिवली सब चीज़ों को देखना, ओके, कि कितने अच्छे से वो फिल्म और सीरीज बन रही है, जो कि एक आइडिया एक आया है एक राइटर के दिमाग से, वो पूरा जो आई थिंक सो एग्जीक्यूशन होता है वो क्रिएटिव प्रोड्यूसर करता है. एंड कमिंग टू योर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन दैट कि कहाँ से मेरे को ये इंस्पिरेशन आया, सो आई थिंक सो inspiration to, I think so this journey took me, I think so, in a way that I come from a very small town called Ranchi, and when I came to Mumbai when I was 17 years old and started doing very small work, like because I was 17 years old, I was just starting out in my life, and I did interviews for a few people. But then over the process I understood that I want to associate myself to something where I can create shows and create films. And then of course I started giving interviews and all, and I landed my first job in Swastik Productions, and I did my first show called Porous, which had Lakshya Lalwani and all, and now he has become a big star. So yeah, and here I did of course, multiple shows with Swastik, and then I did CID at that point of time
Hmm.
in 2017-18, and then I wanted to shift to OTT
Yeah.
and web and film. So that's how, I started growing myself
Yeah.
in that field. So yeah.
Yeah. If I talk about the struggles and challenges,
Hmm.
not struggle, initial struggles,
Hmm.
at this point also,
Hmm.
what are those struggles? Are you free? कोई फ्रीडम रहता है? डू यू एंजॉय दैट फ्रीडम कि मैं जो करना चाहूँ वो कर सकता हूँ क्रिएटिवली, या अभी भी प्रेशर रहता है कि एक्टर का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है कि इसके साथ मुझे काम नहीं करना, इसको रिप्लेस करो, या डायरेक्टर आपको क्रिएटिवली उतना ज़्यादा एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करने दे रहे हैं?
I think so. In the whole industry, and also people are just working for the clients, isn't it? Like,
Yeah.
you are working for the clients, everybody is working for the clients. Everybody is satisfying their role that they are doing, maybe, or maybe एक ना यहाँ पे ऐसा हो गया है कि लोग खुश है ना, ओके, तो हम भी खुश रहे, ओके, ज़्यादा कोई छेड़ता नहीं है. So now I have also understood that you have to play diplomatic at certain point when you are working with a bigger director, or there's a bigger producer, or everything, what I don't know, bigger या छोटा, but we are all doing our basically work, okay. And of course when I say that a creative producer के पास जो major decision making होता है, but it also comes where मतलब किसी के पास भी फ्री हैंड नहीं है, okay, because neither the director, neither the producer who is sitting, okay, because everything is in a loop. Also there's a big lobby which works, so you have to satisfy everybody's ego over here, which I've realized over there कि सबके यहाँ पे egos है, and they just need ego massages. Okay, so it's better to just massage the ego and try to do as much good work as you can. So yeah.
But has it ever happened that you had to creatively do something that you did not wish to do?
Of
Because
course.
I also know that you were part of Hira Mandi also. But would you like to talk about it?
I would not see what happens also now that when you're working with the bigger directors, and they have a like an amazing, like when you work with Sanjay sir, or like whosoever director which I've worked with, they come with lots of work of experience, the years of experience, okay, and they want to do something which they have perceived, and they have they see that content in their own way. So for in at sometimes it just becomes bit कि थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है, but yeah, I have always been very vocal about my opinions and choices, and if I have felt that something is not aligning with my energy and hashtag vibe check नहीं हो रहा है, so then I just pull myself out from that project, because I feel that कि मैं यदि कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ, so why to be in a project where I am not actively participating in it. So yeah, so
it was like a creative backlog.
I think so, yeah, and everybody is facing it at one point or other. Like even if you are working with studios, or even if the people who are working in the corporate setup, the studios and platforms, they also face that, because at one point they also realize that ki, okay, matlab we can't step ahead and say something which might not be in a good way, and it might hamper the project more. So everyone just tries to play diplomatic यहाँ पे.
Since everybody wants to be an actor, like बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो मुंबई में रहते हैं, they want to be an actor or an actress. How much of a role does a creative producer play in casting? Casting में कितना role रहता है creative producer का?
I think so everything. I think so we are the final decision makers, which I think so lots of people don't know about it maybe, but of course casting directors का major काम होता है to, of course, if they are, because आपको पता है the amount of actors in Mumbai is like too much, okay, and when we get a when a writer writes a character, okay, so we speak to the casting directors, and of course the major shortlisting, if for a character there has been 500 auditions, so 500 में से हमारे पास 10 या 12 आते हैं, and then there are creative producers, and there's a meeting which happens where everyone sits, creative producer, director, okay, and we take the final decision of who would be casted.
But what are those parameters? Because मेरा personally भी ये मानना है कि जो लोग उस रेस में 10 जो बेस्ट हैं contestants या 10 बेस्ट auditions जो हैं, उनमें से भी किसी एक को शॉर्टलिस्ट करने के पीछे क्या पैरामीटर रहते हैं? व्हाट डू यू लुक फॉर? क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है कि आप लोगों के पास भी इतना टाइम नहीं होता है कि
Hmm.
आप हर इंटरव्यू को जाकर देखें।
Yeah.
व्हाट इज़ दैट वन पैरामीटर?
I think so. There are two, three, which I have to say.
ओके।
That firstly, when we see any audition, I think so. किसी के पास यहाँ पे ना टाइम नहीं है पहली बात तो ओके
ट्रू,
चाहे वो आपके पास हो या मेरे पास हो या
ट्रू,
कोई भी यहाँ पे जो मुंबई में है किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है सब
ट्रू,
दौड़ रहे हैं यहाँ पे
ट्रू,
ओके सो व्हेन वी click any audition okay
Yeah.
your first 10 seconds or 30 seconds are very important
या,
and you know acting सबका ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है 19-20 हो सकता है
या,
क्या इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि आप क्या उतने कॉन्फिडेंट हो कि आप यू नो इवन इफ यू आर 19-20 in acting
या,
but in on the set can I choose you and I can make you work
या,
okay so what I see in the first 20 seconds of the audition is that how much confident and the eyes which actually speaks
या,
okay and then you know बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि you know there's a big debate which is also happening that कि followers important है कि नहीं
ट्रू, ट्रू,
ओके नाउ इसके लिए मैं एक बहुत ही एक लॉजिकल वाली रीजन दूंगा कि एवरीथिंग इज बिजनेस ओवर हियर
या,
ओके इट्स नॉट क्रिएटिविटी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट ओके बट इफ आई कांट सेल माई क्रिएटिविटी ओके देन माई आपकी तो बिजनेस डूब जाएगी
Yeah.
फिर एक प्रोड्यूसर हो गया या तो जो भी पैसा लगा रहा है एक फिल्म में या सीरीज में वो दूसरा बार दे विल नॉट इवन ट्राई टू
True,
मेक
true.
दैट फिल्म और एनीथिंग
Yeah.
Okay, so if there are 10 actors, okay, now I'm not talking about only followers, okay.
Yeah.
If वो 10 actors में से चलो हमने choose कर लिया कि there are 3 actors who are very good in acting,
Yeah.
okay, we know that okay they can just play that character the best, okay. Now उस तीनों में से हम कैसे choose करें? Because सब अच्छे हैं, okay. Then it comes कि किसका selling point ज़्यादा है. Okay, everything over here is a business. Everywhere it's also about how you pitch yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, Shark Tank सब देखते हैं. Okay, and मुझे लगता है कि actors को ये बहुत समझना जरूरी है कि I'm not talking about कि आप followers बढ़ाओ.
Yeah.
Okay, but आप अपना presence बढ़ाओ. Okay,
Reachability.
it can be in any which way, either on social media or you do so much of work कि apparently you will get your own fan followings and they will follow you in whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, but आजकल तो वो भी नहीं है कि मतलब लोग बोलते हैं कि जैसे फॉलोअर्स यू नो ज्यादा होता है तो यू नो
खरीद लेते हैं लोग,
हाँ
people
अब
buy.
खरीद लेते हैं
Yeah.
ओके सो वी हैव आल्सो बिकम वेरी स्मार्ट नाउ व्हाट वी डू इज अपना प्रोफेशनल डैशबोर्ड निकालो हमें स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो सो वी नो हाउ मच रीच इज गोइंग
Yeah.
okay so nobody can fool us at this point of time we all knew that how it is working
Yeah.
how our Instagram algorithm works
Yeah.
okay so but मेरा वही मुद्दा है कि अपना यदि प्रेजेंस आप नहीं बनाओगे okay तो आज जैसे मुझे कोई नहीं जानता है okay I am also trying that people should know about me where for the actors it is more important
Yeah.
okay because they are in this field where in the glamour industry आप आए हो कि अपना प्रेजेंस बनाओ ना आप प्रेजेंस बना के सब कुछ कर रहे हो तो फिर मतलब then it becomes very difficult कि how will we you know shortlist the actors so that is one few important things that we see while choosing the actors
अगर मैं एक सवाल आपसे ये करूं कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं who aspire to be an actor उनको अगर अपना पोर्टफोलियो डेवलपमेंट करना है what are those right ways जिनसे उनको easy हो जाएगा आप लोगों तक पहुंचना because there are so many people जिनको ये भी नहीं पता कि उनको आके इंटरव्यू कहाँ देने हैं पोर्टफोलियो क्या करना है फोटोशूट कहाँ से करवाने हैं कैसे आप तक पहुंचना है
so first of all I think so anybody over here like even if it's actor writer creative जिसको director बनना है जो भी बनना है what matters is the connection okay यदि आपने connection नहीं build कर रहे हो okay and आप बस sorry to say बस आराम नगर घूम रहे हो okay and आप बस घूम ही रहे हो तो आप घूमते ही रह जाओगे because ये माया नगरी है ओके तो पहली बात तो आजकल यदि मैं पोर्टफोलियो की बात करूं तो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं रह गया है
अच्छा
ओके बिकॉज व्हाट वी नाउ हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग इज दैट एज अ क्रिएटिव और एज एनीबडी हु इज अ डायरेक्टर और क्रिएटिव वी हैव स्टार्टेड लुकिंग फॉर द एक्चुअल पिक्चर्स ओके एंड without any filters without any makeup why because it is sometimes it becomes very difficult कि वो लोग पोर्टफोलियो में इतने अच्छे लगते हैं एंड देन व्हेन यू सी देम एंड आई एम लाइक कि ये शक्ल कैसे चेंज हो गया ओके सो नाउ portfolio doesn't matter if you're in an acting field okay the portfolio doesn't matters the most okay if you're in modeling of course then portfolio of course matters okay but if you're in acting what we see is that natural you know natural some pictures okay and start reaching out ओके
Yeah.
बहुत लोग वही नहीं करते, दे डोंट रीच आउट, और समटाइम्स दे
How to reach out?
there are lots of sources. Okay, they are, you know, every day there's an event happening in Mumbai.
That is true. Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah.
And that's how I started.
Hmm.
Okay, मैं every event में चला जाता था.
Even I started like that.
Yeah, so everybody has started ना, and that's how you grow connection. And it is not so easy कि आपने एक event दिया, अरे यार कुछ नहीं मिला मुझे. Okay, आप हार मान जाओगे. Okay. No, you have to go to every event, you have to start making connection, build, communicate. बहुत लोगों का
Yeah.
यहाँ पे communications का बहुत भयंकर problem है. They don't know what to speak, how to speak. भाई थोड़ा communication skills आपको grow करने पड़ेंगे, because you have come to become an actor or director or writer.
Yeah.
Okay, so start connecting with people, start growing on those lines, and I think so. Events है, social media है, people reach out through social media also. LinkedIn of course एक वो है भी. Okay, if you want to become a director writer, तो LinkedIn is a good medium to do. Okay, and I know something will work out.
Yeah.
Which I know.
How different it is, the content quality or the kind of content that's coming. How different it has become from the content that we used to see.
I think so. Post COVID, lots of content has differed. I think so. The audience का taste बहुत change हो गया है. Now we have again started, what I say also, that we have gone into more 80s and 90s where male heroism or the male chauvinism was shown more in that way. So I think so. The content in that, because when I say about before 2000. Before COVID happened, I think so there were a lot of good content which was getting made in terms of the films, and it was working. Okay, but अब क्या हो रहा है कि if जैसे Homebound जैसी फिल्में आ भी रही है, okay, who are watching it because box office ही नहीं है उनकी. So also the producer who is backing it up, they are facing lots of issue to produce a content which is actually content driven, like Homebound. लोग ज़्यादातर जैसे होमबाउंड हो गया, ऐसी फिल्में हैं वो they would rather prefer to watch it in OTT.
Yeah.
So why not? I think so the audience की taste भी I think so it has changed, but I think so this is not good. But maybe I think so they should be open to more good content and But yeah, I think that's a process. I think so soon this whole where जहाँ पे ऐसी फिल्में चल रही है, like Animal, and I love those films. I come from a cinema which I love Dharma films. I love watching animal types, but I also would love to watch movies like Homebound and Lapata Ladies, etc. So, and those films should be nurtured well.
Since you have mentioned Homebound, even I was watching an interview of Karan Johar. उन्होंने भी कहा कि उन्होंने अपनी कंपनी के धर्मा के बहुत सारे शेयर्स he has sell them off because नहीं उन्होंने बोला कि profit नहीं बना पा रही है. Because Homebound is I feel it's a pure genre film, but still it's not working.
But it's not working. So for a director or for a writer and for as a creative who is actually selecting those content, now it is for us, it's becoming more and more dicey in a way that we know that this is an amazing content, but maybe this might not work. So still I always believe that to make always good content, whatever content which I have made personally are all good. So
blockbuster.
So, and they have worked. So I think so with a good content you have to also add a bit of mass value. Okay, so that people from all the all the sectors from north to south they can watch, and the biggest example is Kantara. And that's the reason also South Indian content are so much working, because they know that content bhi hai, but thoda sa we have to amp it up. Okay, so that every the target audience is bigger in that way.
Yeah, the story is so rooted, but the experience is so grand.
Experience is so grand, correct. So you have to make such kind of content, which I think so Bollywood should start realizing it, and they should put it more forward like that.
Yeah, if I have to ask you one more question, अभी आपने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा that in this industry you have to satisfy a lot of people's ego. But also there's always this controversy or this controversial remark that you also have to satisfy people in other ways. कास्टिंग काउच का बहुत बड़ा ये जो मुद्दा है वो बना रहता है इस इंडस्ट्री में, खासकर स्पेशली ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में. हाउ मच यू हैव फेस्ड कि देखो अभी एक्टर्स जब आते हैं ना मेरे पास, सो आई आस्क देम कि एज एन एक्टर उनका क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है. उनको कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स है ये लोग अप्रोच करते हैं ना. यू बीइंग अ क्रिएटिव प्रोड्यूसर, आई लाइक टू आस्क यू, क्या कभी एक्टर्स भी ऐसा कहते हैं कि
I'll tell you very candid something, everything in this industry is give and take.
Yeah.
Okay, यदि आप मानो ना मानो, ठीक है. आजकल definitely there are actors, okay, who are very smart. Okay, they know how to play. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm not saying कि ऐसे casting directors नहीं हैं, ऐसे producers नहीं हैं जो ये नहीं करते हैं and but जो वो करते हैं ना वो बहुत ही खुल्लम खुल्ला है. Okay, people know about it कि ये तो वैसा ही है, ये तो करता ही है.
True.
Okay, actors के बारे में कोई नहीं बात करता. Okay, एंड विच आई फील ऑल्सो डैट कि यहाँ पे कोई भी दूध का तो धुला है नहीं. ओके, ठीक है. एंड सबके अपने हिस्ट्रीज है, सबके अपने पास्ट है. कोई यहाँ पे एक मुखौटा पहना हुआ है. एवरीबडी इज लाइक वेरी नाइस ऑन द फेस. ओके, ठीक है. बट लाइक आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस ऑन द फेस यार. मतलब मैं क्यों किसी को मतलब
Yeah.
why to put something which is like I should feel that I'm arrogant or I'm like a bitch. Okay, ठीक है. but यहाँ पे कोई सीधा नहीं है, कोई ये नहीं है. So if it happens from where the producers or the casting directors call out, there are actors also who knows to put their words so nicely that you will never know कि अच्छा okay, are they hinting on something or they are not.
Yeah.
Okay, so they are, because also ना क्या है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक्टर्स जितना रियल लाइफ में एक्टिंग नहीं करते ना उतना रियल लाइफ में एक्टिंग करते हैं.
Oh, is it?
या एब्सोल्युटली एवरी डे आई सी. इतना यदि वो लोग अच्छा एक्टिंग कर लेते ना जितना रियल लाइफ में एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, सो एक्चुअली उनका करियर शायद कुछ कुछ एक्टर्स का अच्छा हो जाता है. ओके, दे आर ऑफ कोर्स एक्टर्स whom you love to work with. Okay, they are the at par, they are really good with their work. Okay, and उनको पता है, they are very secured. Okay, ठीक है, that कि they know that their talent, they have a talent and they have an art. Okay, and for them they are very safe. They are the most insecure. They're the most secured people. But there are actors who are most insecure. Okay, and when they know ना that कि हम शायद उतना अच्छा नहीं है as an actor. Okay, और शायद मुझे काम नहीं मिल रहा है ऐसे. So फिर कैसे मिलेगा? Okay, so then I would not say they will approach, but they know that how to play with words. That's what I would rather put it forward like this.
Yeah. एक मेरा सवाल और था कि जो पे डिफरेंस है इंडस्ट्री में, बिकॉज एक है कास्टिंग काउच या जो भी है जिसके थ्रू आपको काम मिल जाता है.
I never think that. Okay, I will take this as a okay. So I think
okay,
so.
ठीक है, harsh words, but I'm just saying जब मुझे कभी-कभी.
नहीं, I think so. Okay, so maybe I will take this that कि कभी काम नहीं मिलता उनको, शायद थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है, मे बी थोड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुल जाती है. बट इफ आपके पास टैलेंट नहीं है, इफ आपने अपने आर्ट को नर्चर नहीं किया है ना, आप कभी भी शायद आपको एक काम मिल जाएगा. ओके, ऐसे करके आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे लाइफ में.
That is true. Yeah.
ओके, तो मे बी एक डोर खुल जाएगा, बट उस डोर को तो आपको आगे बढ़ाना है ना. यू हैव टू ओपन मोर डोर्स फॉर यू. ओके, सो आई फील दैट कि कभी भी इससे कभी भी आपका कुछ भला नहीं होने वाला. ओके, मे बी हाँ, यू माइट it might help you to get one or two work, but having said that, if you are not sure about your acting skills, okay, and not nurturing it every day, okay, it will really it will lead to nothing.
Yeah, हमने बात कर ली काफी मुद्दों के बारे में. There's another thing, whenever an actor comes here, I ask the same question to every actor that who comes, कि रिप्लेसमेंट के बारे में बहुत बात करते हैं कि एंड मोमेंट पे रिप्लेस हो जाते हैं एक्टर्स. Whose decision it is? कौन डिसाइड करता है कि एक्टर्स को एंड मोमेंट पे रिप्लेस किया जा सकता है? बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली पूरी स्टोरी लाइन बन चुकी है, सब कुछ हो गया, बट एंड मोमेंट में क्योंकि शर्लिन चोपड़ा वाज हियर, शी सेड कि मेरे अटैचियां भी पैक हो गई थी, बट मेरे को कॉल आता है, मैं निकलने वाली थी.
मतलब निकलने वाला था. आई हैव सीन एक्टर्स हु हैज बीन ऑन माय सेट on the day one and they have been replaced. Like उनका शूट शुरू होने वाला था, like it was just going to roll and तब भी replace हुए हैं. Okay, so there's not any one person involved. Okay, and when I talk about it, there's a lobby. Also, lobby se zyada there's a favoritism in the industry. Okay, which is there. Okay, and like so I have seen where there are lots of bigger actors. Okay, if they want to cast, if they don't want to work with some person, okay, they will replace that one person. I have been in one of my shows. I think so people will relate to it if I talk about the story where there were two actors, okay, who were working they were locked much before because it was a period drama, and and there was like 6 months of workshops. Every day they used to come on, come sit with the director, writers, everybody used to do the workshops. And in the end, because of course there was the N word, okay,
Mm,
and also not about N word, but maybe favoritism, and maybe like somebody called somebody and you're
yeah,
replaced. Okay, so it might be like there's not one person, there might be an actor who might do it, there might be a producer or somebody who is putting out money over there,
yeah,
they might you, or maybe there might be a political connects.
yeah.
Okay, तो कभी कभी ये बहुत सारे reasons होते हैं जब actors are replaced, which I feel really bad.
Mhm.
And when I always also say that कि कभी कभी कुछ actors tantrums
Mhm.
करते हैं,
Mhm.
I can understand that what they might have gone through also in their life.
Yeah.
Okay, because आप समझो कितना वो disheartening होता है जहाँ पे आप set पे आए हुए हो and you are just said that you are replaced.
Oh
Okay,
God.
and you are not doing this project. You give
Yeah.
your 6 months, 7 months to that one project, working, doing workshops, everything, and you are just replaced in one night or one
Oh
day.
God.
So for me, I feel for those actors, but yeah, that's what I think. So the industry it is. I think कोई एक इंसान नहीं होता है जो ये decide कर रहा है,
Yeah.
but and we as a creative
Yeah.
always had to come in forefront and say it.
Yeah.
So we are also like, so not my decision or any creative ka decision, because of course as a creative we are never
Yeah.
the person who will decide that कि इसको अब replace करें, because then why will we even cast it?
Yeah.
नहीं तो फिर पहले ही हम cast नहीं करते.
Yeah.
Okay, but then when these things happen, it feels really disheartening. But yeah, that's there in the industry.
But is there no contract या कुछ payment advance ऐसा कोई system नहीं है यहाँ
वो
पे?
सब null and void हो जाता है. यहाँ पे सब null and void हो जाता है. Even if the payment has gone, okay, ठीक है, इतना इतना वो producer ने डाल दिया, ठीक है, अब ठीक है, उतना उससे ज़्यादा कमा भी लेंगे. So it's okay for them.
There have been instances where actors have also talked about the dark side of Bollywood. What is the dark side of Bollywood? Is there anything that people in general, like an audience, does not know? मान लो कि कोई छोटे शहर से एक लड़का ये इंटरव्यू देखे और he wants to become an actor. अभी आपने बोला कि अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा चतुर, अभी आपने बोला था थोड़ा टाइम पहले कि अगर आप शरीफ हो, थोड़ा चालाक बनना पड़ेगा तभी कुछ हो पाएगा. कोई है बहुत शरीफ है, उसका क्या होगा?
I don't know, शरीफ हो तो थोड़ा मतलब I think so. See, it's not about आप you get into a dark
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
Okay, ठीक है, or you start doing all illegal things, which I will never say, but you have to be at least be a smart enough, which I say, okay, that you know how to get work.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है, and when I say about how to get work, it's not about कि कुछ भी कर लो. Okay, but मतलब यहाँ पे कितने सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. ओके, एंड ऐसा नहीं है जो लोग बोलते कि मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रहा है, कहीं से कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, तो भाई यहाँ पे भगवान प्रकट नहीं होने वाले आपके ऊपर कि कि कोई ऊपर से आपको आके अपॉर्चुनिटी दे देगा. ओके, यू हैव टू गो एंड रीच आउट. Okay, and if you are smart enough, you should know how to speak in front of the directors, the producers. What is your pitch?
Yeah.
Which I always say, चाहे वो writer हो, director हो, आपको actor बनना है, what is your pitch that you are going to put forward? Okay, कि I'm an actor, okay, उसके बाद क्या? मुझे काम चाहिए, यही पूछते हैं लोग. तो मैं सोचूंगा कि भाई ठीक है, तो मुझे भी काम चाहिए. Okay, but then what is your USP and how are you putting forward, okay, your things is very important.
True. Now let's talk about Ashram. Ashram is one of the most watched OTT show
Yes.
in India,
Yes.
in the history of Indian OTT shows. What do you have to say about it? How did that happen to you? वो कैसे आया?
So I think so. Of course, again, when I say it's all about connections, so it's all about connections. So I had a amazing friend whom I used to know from like long years. We never worked together, and then when I was, of course, I was shifting I left Drishyam Films and who made Masan, and I was shifting and I was looking for a job, and that friend helped me, and of course that connection and really worked for me, and I joined the team, Prakasha Productions, and it has been really something. I think so. एक जो दो चीजें मैंने लाइफ में की है where I literally loved working was one was definitely Abhay, okay, where I did for 3 seasons, and there's a reason जब कोई शो ना फ्रेंचाइजी बनती है. Okay, why? Because चलो एक तो वो चल गया है बिकॉज ऑडियंस ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है.
Yeah.
बट इफ वो टीम अच्छी नहीं है ना तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. सो आई थिंक सो एक अभय का फ्रेंचाइजी इतना अच्छा बना था बिकॉज द टीम वाज super amazing. I have loved going every day on set, working every day. Okay, and the same I think so. The team of Ashram, uh, where I'm working right now, the production house, everybody is so amazing to work with, and it's a learning process to, of course, work with such a maestro like Prakash Jha, sir. Every actors, okay, were absolutely non-fussy, which is very important for me because I've worked with lots of actors who has been very fussy on the set. Okay, and it becomes very difficult. And then what happens is that as a producer or as a creative producer or as a director, they will never get repeated in the different project. Okay, तो ये बहुत बार लोग एक्टर्स को पता नहीं रहता है, बट बहुत बार बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हैं हमारे इंडस्ट्री में जो बोलते हैं काम नहीं मिल रहा है, they are actually blacklisted.
Because बहुत सारे सुपरस्टार्स भी रहे हैं
Yeah. I have worked with, of course, the best to best actors, and the actors who have shown the massive tantrum se zyada, they have been really disrespecting to the crew members, and I know for the fact that now they are not getting work. Okay, because ठीक है आपने तब अपना ईगो मसाज करने के लिए, ईगो सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए आपने किसी भी इंसान को गालियां दे दी. ओके, यू डिड अ होल तमाशा ऑन द सेट, बट देन आपको आगे भी तो काम करना है. मुझे भी आगे काम करना है. आई लाइक आपको आगे काम करना है, मुझे आगे काम करना है. वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू we try to
at least stay cordial.
Be cordial, और as also ठीक है sometimes the wavelength might not match, but that doesn't means that कि आप किसी को भी गालियां दे सकते हो या किसी के भी मतलब you can just go like एक border होता है हर चीज का. Okay, and when you cross that ना, so then you are blacklisted. Okay, so I think so talking about Ashram, everybody, okay, from the crew members to the every cast are really amazing to work.
How was your experience of working with Bobby Deol? Specifically अगर मैं सिर्फ Bobby sir की बात करूँ,
I think so he's the most amazing person to work with, like really most amazing. I think so उनका जो comeback हुआ, it was worth it. Okay, because he's of course an actor who was not getting his due thing from so many years, and he's the most amazing, like he has no problems in whatever, you sometimes you shoot in a very harsh climate, sometimes you shoot in lots of things are not available, maybe आपके proper vanities ना रहे उस time पे या कुछ वैसा, but he has been really good, like he has no fuss, no thing, like he just wants to give it everything in that project, and that's the best thing about him. And he's been so good to every people on set. Like it has been my most remarkable experience to work with. I have worked with other bigger actors also, but I might not say the same thing for other actors when I talk about Abhay or other series when I've worked with. But the best experience was to work with Bobby sir. End of the day na, actors ही है जिनको वो मिलने वाला है सब कुछ, a fame which they will carry after any series get hit या blockbuster कुछ भी series होती है, तो actors को भी सब मिलता है, creatives, writers, directors, सब एक secondary उन लोग को वो मिलता है. So I think it should be always be which some actors really has, that they know that what worth we have and what are the crew members doing, and they really do it, they really know how to make it very peaceful, and that's Bobby sir.
Now when we've talked about working hours and vanities, there's this controversy happening around Deepika Padukone, the controversies of 8 hours work shift, also the entourage controversy. How do you see it? और दूसरा मैं ये सवाल और आपसे करूंगा कि दीपिका का ब्रूट पे इंटरव्यू आया है जिसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि if she people consider her one of the biggest superstars. If she is not allowed to work for 8 hours, imagine the woman working, let's say.
So I think so what she said also, taking from that interview, Brute interview, because I saw that, where she said a very nice point where she said कि बहुत सारे actors हैं, male actors, who are from the longest time in the history, they are working for 8 hours. कोई बात नहीं करता है. Okay, ठीक है. If a woman is coming and putting forward his or her thoughts, okay, कि मुझे 8 घंटा ही काम करना है, so I think so what's wrong with that? Okay. Having said that,
Yeah.
okay, she's a Deepika Padukone.
Yeah.
Okay, मैंने ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग के साथ काम किया है जो which has not reached to that stature, or which I would say they are in the process maybe. Okay, they had a similar problem. Okay, uh, अभी you have accepted this field. Okay, किसी ने आपको फोर्स करके तो यहाँ पे आपको इस इंडस्ट्री में नहीं लाया है, because we have all come with our choices that we want to become an actor, we want to become a creator, we want to become a writer. Okay, so nobody has forced you. So you have accepted this whole working pattern of 12 hours. Okay. When you go to Hollywood, nobody questions that. Why are you questioning in Bollywood? We're working in art today's, like, you know, in India. So when I talk about bigger actors, yeah, okay, उनको समझ में आता है, as a creators, as people who are working for the production, we understand that they will come with a huge entourage, which is also when I feel that now the entourage thing has become really a lot of, you know, things, because any bigger actors are coming with, you know, a lot of entourages, and there's lots of lots of monies are going in that. Okay, rather than you know, उससे अच्छा आप एक राइटर को पे कर सकते हो, एक डायरेक्टर को पे कर सकते हो, आपका कंटेंट अच्छा निकल के आएगा, बट ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ ह्यूज एंटोurage व्हिच इज देयर नाउ. इट हैज बिकम लाइक कि हाँ, जितना ज्यादा एंटोurage उतना बड़ा एक्टर,
उतना स्टारडम
ओके, उतना स्टारडम दिखता है. सो ठीक है, अब नाउ दैट्स now we have to accept few things. Now talking about the work hours, bigger actors, okay, done. We are all buying with it. Okay, why not? Okay, you have reached that level where you can demand those things. I have worked with actors who has not reached anything. Okay, and they might okay, आगे जाके okay, आगे जाके तुम अच्छे बनोगे, बट अभी से तुम यदि टैंट्रम्स पुट करोगे एंड देन यू विल स्टार्ट सेइंग कि नहीं मैं तो 10 घंटे से ज़्यादा शूट ही नहीं कर सकता. एंड you know, we are all working on our deadlines, right? Okay, मतलब शायद आप भी वो डेडलाइन में काम कर रहे होते हो, हम भी डेडलाइन में काम कर रहे होते हैं. So what will hamper is nothing. Is that deadline will get hampered. The product will not get ready at the exact you know, time which it has to get ready, and then there's a loss which our producer has to face, or maybe the platform might has to face. So why to get into that? You know, I always feel that you are working, let's be, you know, tension free रहो, harmony में काम करो. Okay, but of course कुछ लोग को नहीं समझ में आता है, तो of course I have seen that there are so many of them who are not grateful of what they are doing. Okay, चाहे वो actor हो, maybe directors भी है, कुछ लोग producers भी ऐसे हैं, they are not grateful. तो उनको लगता है कि हाँ यार, इसमें तो चकाचौंध है, इसमें glamour है, इसमें तो every day we will party and we will do whatever we can, but it doesn't happen, because if few projects work, okay, it is all because of the every member, from actor to the spot boy who is working, and actually जो behind the scenes काम कर रहे होते हैं, they are the actual people who are just working for that one purpose, product अच्छा बने जिससे कि आप स्टार बनो. Okay, we are all working for that. Okay, कि हमें कुछ वो फेम नहीं मिलने वाला, बट यदि ये प्रोजेक्ट हिट हो गई या ब्लॉकबस्टर हो गई, सारा फेम आप लेके जाने वाले हो. So why not be bit more grateful and make this a more happier place to work with?
मेरा आखिरी सवाल आपसे ये रहेगा, दो सवाल रहेंगे एक्चुअली. पहला, don't you think आज के टाइम पे the good PR is good? But I'm not talking about the good PR. I'm talking about अभी कोई भी PR कर रहा है, मतलब दिखने के लिए it has become so commercialized that आजकल
हाँ, तो आप पैसे दो तो of course आप apps आ जाएंगे, या तो मीडिया हाउसेस आपको
कमेंट सीडिंग हो जाएगी, विजिबिलिटी मिल जाती है.
तो वो तो देखो है, अब जो कर रहे हैं, अब they are see, everyone wants to get some work out of them, like उनको काम चाहिए. Okay, ठीक है, as I said पहले भी कि either you know as a person that I am an actor at par. Nobody can touch my talent. They don't need any PR to, you know, help them to work in the industry and grow in the industry. बट जब किसी एक एक्टर या किसी भी एक मॉडल या कोई भी एक वैसे लोग हैं जिनको पता है कि, you know, as a person I might not be that great as an actor. Okay, so I have to use different tricks and methods कि, you know, मुझे लोग देखने लगे. Okay, and I will not name, there are many people out there जिसको आप देखते हैं कभी different you know, different paths के pages में. I feel that कि इसको क्यों कर रहे हैं, but of course they have, because मुझे भी लगता है they might have paid for
Yeah,
it, okay,
yeah.
and secondly they want to, of course, again it all turns out that they want to fetch work out of
Yeah.
it, okay, so they try all maybe a cheap, जैसे हमें लग रहा है कि वो cheap tricks है, okay, but end of the day क्या है ना कि आप मुंबई में हो और आपको खाना है, आपको रेंट देना है, एंड यू नो हाई लाइफस्टाइल मेंटेन करना है, तो बहुत बार एक्टर्स लोग को वही प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है कि यू नो हाई लाइफस्टाइल मेंटेन करना है ना, तो अब तो मुझे कुछ तो करना होगा, ओके, सो देन दे ट्राई टू डू ऑल अदर थिंग्स व्हिच maybe you might say in a darker zone, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि they are all doing to fetch work, और दूसरा maybe some kind of attention.
As a creative producer, would you love to cast ऐसे देख के सोशल मीडिया पे किसी को देखा?
Normally तो if I've seen, okay, so there are many I would say social media content creators whom I really love, okay, and I would love to work with them.
Yeah. नहीं
Okay.
जबरदस्ती PR करवा
अब जबरदस्ती प्यार तो उनको वो बस आप देखोगे कि वो रियलिटी शोज में जाएंगे. So as a person who, like, I have never done reality shows,
Yeah.
and I don't, you know, maybe मतलब I might not, you know, feel associated to that reality shows and
Yeah.
all. तो मेरे लिए वो as an, if आपको एक्टर बनना है, okay, and if you want to get good work with a bigger producers,
Yeah.
with a bigger directors,
Yeah.
and I've worked with most of them,
Yeah.
and so they will all look कि आप कितना अच्छा एक्टिंग कर रहे हो, because audition में आपका बस एक्टिंग स्किल्स ही दिखेगा और कुछ नहीं.
अगर जाने से पहले कोई आखिरी मैसेज आप देना चाहें कैमरा पे, टू ऑल द पीपल हु वांट टू बी एक्टर्स, टू ऑल द पीपल हु वांट टू डू समथिंग इन द ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री, कोई ऐसा मैसेज जिसका उनको ध्यान रखना चाहिए, कुछ भी आपकी तरफ से?
So I think so, be true to yourself, and that would really help you. Okay, there is lots of, I think, different things when you come to Mumbai, and you sometimes get drift apart from what you have actually come for. आपका ambition कहीं दूसरा जगह चले जाता है, and बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि आप लोग किसी दूसरे के बातों को सुन के आप कुछ चीज़ें करते हो. I think so, सुनो, ओके, बट कोई भी चीज़ हावी मत होने दो अपने ऊपर, ओके, एंड एक चीज़ जो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, ओके, दैट्स माय द लास्ट एंडिंग लाइन व्हिच आई हैव टू से, कि या तो मैनिपुलेट हो जाओ या तो मैनिपुलेट कर लो. एंड व्हेन आई से अबाउट दिस लाइन, आई डोंट मीन इट इन अ बैड वे, बट you have to be really smart enough, okay, and people are smart over here, okay, so thoda you have to know what you can do and how to do it, and there are various ways to achieve what you want to achieve. Yeah, and I would have to say that chahe aap director ho, writer ho, actor ho, please reach out to people, and the right people who are working. And I know there are sometimes you might not get proper messages back, okay, या कोई revert नहीं करता है, but keep on trying, because that's what we are doing, everybody. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Saurav. Thank you so much for coming. I had a wonderful time talking to you. Thank
I
you.
hope this might be a bit insightful to everyone.
Yes, to everyone, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.